Well, welcome and let's talk about Tectonic token update. Right now, Tectonic token is now trading with 7.0. Earlier, as a few months ago, we have been talking about Tectonic token. Dropping more zeros. Remember, Tectonic token started that was 2021 December. This year, December, we actually make it 1 year. In fact, they are actually preparing for their anniversary. And though Tectonic token actually deleted a zero earlier, and then Tectonic token was trading with 6 zeros, and at the time of recording this, Tectonic token is now trading with 7.0. I don't think this is a good one for Tectonic token, because this is the only people always start thinking what is really going on, because everyone wants to see a particular coin keep increasing in price. Now at this stage, Tectonic token need more people to really come in to buy, to invest. They need more wallets, they need more community, and then also Tectonic token, the fundamental analysis part of it is that people need to see why they should really come in and invest on Tectonic token. I think that is why Tectonic token right now really need to do a lot of work. But to me, adding another zero is not a big deal, because I believe if Tectonic token can really increase between 2 days, Tectonic token will go back to 6.0. But most importantly, Tectonic token really need to work hard in order for this coin to really delete some zero. I've seen yes, definitely Tectonic token is going to delete some zero in the future, but it's not something that will be happening so fast, but I believe it's going to happen gradually. But Tectonic developers should really work more on the burning of Tectonic and also on the listening. And I believe if Binance can really come in to support, remember Binance are the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. Any coin they list is always going to pump. So I think they should also work more on trying to get the Tectonic token to be listed on Binance. Binance will really show a lot of support. Binance will really push Tectonic token. Binance will really do a lot for this coin to increase in price. Now, to me, Tectonic token is one of the best because it's being hosted by Crypto.com, and Crypto.com, you always believe that yes, Crypto.com are one of the best crypto exchanges out there, and I believe with their support, even that of VPN Finance, they're going to help this Tectonic token to really increase in price. But they should work more on getting at least Binance, Coinbase, Kucoin, and Get.io, or if they can really get these exchanges to really list Tectonic token, I believe it's going to be an impact, it's going to be a positive for Tectonic token. Right now, adding another zero is not that good because people will be scared, and so many people might be pulling out their investment, their money from Tectonic token, because everyone wants to see Tectonic token keep increasing rather than keep going down. So I think the developers should really do something about this before this be continuous, and for it, people will keep removing their investment from Tectonic token. Right now, Tectonic token have lost almost $6 million in the past few months, and they believe this is not really good. So they should really work hard, and let's see what will be happening before the end of this year. We still have about 5 weeks to go. I believe that 5 weeks, something new can be done, something different can be done. So let's watch out and see what will really go on. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.